Reminds me, I brought you something else.
Oh.
Have you read it?
No. Oh, but I certainly shall. Ooh, Romeo and Juliet. Yes, I've heard of this. If I profane with my unworthiest hand this holy shrine, the gentle fine is this: my lips, to blushing pilgrims, ready stand to smooth that rough touch with a tender kiss.
Good pilgrim, you do wrong your hand too much, which mannerly devotion shows in this. For saints have hands that pilgrims' hands do touch, and palm to palm is holy palmless kiss.
Oh, then, dear saint, let lips do what hands do. They pray. Grant thou, lest they turn to despair.
Saints do not move, though grant for prayer's sake.
Then move not, while my prayer's effect I take. Thus from my lips, by thine my sin is purged. Yes. And then it says they kiss.
Then have my lips the sin that they have took.
Sin from my lips? Oh, trespass sweetly urged, give me my sin again.
Oh, Mr. Merrick, you're not an elephant man at all.
Mm-hmm.
No. You're Romeo.